Welcome to our channel, Technology in the Future. We delve into the exciting world of the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S24 lineup. Brace yourselves for astonishing pricing details and an array of groundbreaking features. According to the latest reports, the pricing of the highly anticipated Samsung Galaxy S24 series is set to stun, and we've got the inside scoop for you. While some speculate that the prices might follow in the footsteps of its predecessor, there's a twist in the tale. Brace yourselves for the possibility of expanded storage options in the larger models. Stick around until the end of this video to uncover all the details. We're about to explore new rumors surrounding the pricing and specifications of the Samsung Galaxy S24 lineup. Word on the street suggests that Samsung is aiming to maintain stability in the prices of its flagship model, a piece of news that's sure to delight fans worldwide. But the real intrigue lies in the potential increase in storage space for the larger models. Our sources hint at a continuity in pricing, aligning the Galaxy S24 series with its predecessor, the Galaxy S23 lineup. If the whispers hold, the Galaxy S24 base model could be yours for just $799, with the Galaxy S24 Plus at $999 and the premium Galaxy S24 Ultra at $1,199. Keep in mind that these prices may vary across regions. Excitingly, the alleged specifications for the Galaxy S24 Trio suggest enhanced storage configurations. Both the Galaxy S24 Plus and Galaxy S24 Ultra might flaunt 12 GB of RAM and a generous 256 GB storage option, a substantial leap from previous models. Samsung's masterstroke in strategy is apparent, aiming to boost sales by 10% compared to the Galaxy S23 lineup. This competitive pricing strategy comes hot on the heels of Google and Apple, raising the stakes with the Pixel 8 and iPhone 15 Pro Max, respectively, in the US market. Underneath the hood, all Galaxy S24 models pack the powerful Snapdragon 8cx Gen 3 processor, while in select markets, the base models will feature the Exynos 2400 chipset. Additionally, the Galaxy S24 Plus and Galaxy S24 Ultra promise larger battery capacities, ensuring a seamless and extended user experience. The Ultra model steals the spotlight with an exclusive camera system upgrade, promising substantial improvements. Mark your calendars for the grand unveiling at the Unpacked event in San Jose on January 16, 2024. Pre-orders are expected to kick off immediately post-announcement, with devices hitting store shelves on January 26, 2024. That's a wrap for now. For more cutting-edge updates, don't forget to hit the subscribe button on our channel, Technology in the Future. Until the next video, take care, stay informed, and peace out.